Hello students, I welcome you all to this presentation on breakdown voltage test on transformer oil, that is BDVT. Let us see the contents of this presentation. The contents are meaning of transformer oil and its types, ideal properties of transformer oil, applications of transformer oil, meaning of BDVT, that is breakdown voltage test, need for testing transformer oil, and finally we'll see experiment on transformer oil BDVT, that is breakdown voltage test. Meaning of transformer oil. Transformer oil is a mineral oil derived from crude petroleum. That is, it is the byproduct of petroleum. It is used for insulation and cooling purpose in electrical equipment. Types of transformer oil. Basically, there are two types, that is naphtha based oil and another one is paraffin based oil. So each type of this oil has its own electrical, physical and chemical properties. It is said that paraffin based oil is most commonly used because of its availability in large quantity. Below you can see the colors, various colors at various stages of transformer oil. Initially you can see it is colorless and it is odorless. As the time goes by, you can see the color changes from pale yellow to dark brown like this. So this is the stage at which the transformer oil has to be tested for its fitness. Applications of transformer oil. They are used in power transformers CT, PT for insulating and cooling the windings. They are used in high voltage circuit breakers like oil circuit breaker. They are used in switchgears like oil immersed switches and starters. Here you can see the images of various equipments like power transformer, CTPT, oil circuit breaker, and then oil immersed starter. So let us see what are the ideal properties of a transformer oil or the properties which are desired. So the electrical properties are it should have high dielectric strength, at least minimum 30 kV is expected. It should have high electrical resistivity. Then physical properties are it should have high thermal conductivity, high flash point, that is about 140 degrees centigrade. High flash point means the temperature at which the oil becomes inflammable. Then low pour point, that is something like minus 40 degree centigrade. Low pour point means it is a temperature at which the oil can start flowing easily. Then it should have low viscosity. The desired chemical properties are it should be non-acidic in nature. That is, it should not cause any corrosion in the windings or the metal on which it comes into contact with. It should not contain moisture. So water content must not be there. It should not oxidize. So when it oxidizes, sludge formation will be happening and that will prevent free flow of the oil. So it should not oxidize. So these are the desired chemical properties, or these are all the ideal properties of transformer oil. So let us see what is meant by BDVT. Breakdown voltage test is the test conducted on transformer oil to measure its dielectric strength. So dielectric strength is nothing but the insulating property of the transformer oil and it is measured in kV, that is kilovolts. The oil should be able to withstand 45 kV for 1 minute with a space of 4 mm or 25 kV for 1 minute with a 2.5 mm gap between the electrodes immersed in the oil. So this you will understand when I demonstrate the experiment. Need for testing transformer oil. The properties of transformer oil deteriorates over a period of time. So periodical tests are conducted to check the fitness of the oil and prevent breakdown of the equipment. Testing involves measuring breakdown voltage, testing physical and chemical properties. Now let us see how the transformer oil is tested. We'll see this experiment. The aim of this experiment is to conduct breakdown voltage test on transformer oil. This is the transformer oil testing kit. Now let us see how the electrical wiring is there inside this testing kit. As you can see here, this is an auto transformer. This is a high voltage transformer using which a small voltage on the primary will generate high voltage on the secondary. So here it is shown as 230 bar 75 kV. There are many ratings available, and this is the container in which the transformer oil will be filled, and this is the spear gap. The spear gap will be adjusted for a gap of 4 mm, and this is the contactor which will automatically trip when the oil breaks down. So now let us see the demonstration of this experiment. This is the transformer oil testing kit. I will show you the various apparatus on the kit. This is the auto transformer for varying the voltage. This is the power on button. This is the protection, fuse protection. Mains on indicator. Then HT, that is high voltage on off indicator. High voltage on button. Voltmeter for reading the applied voltage. This is unit ready indicator and high voltage limit indicator, that is tripping indicator. This is a memory push button using which we can see at what value the oil has broke down. So here you can see there is a door open indicator and door close indicator, and here you can see there is a knob for opening the door, and here you can see this is the safety switch. Safety switch. If this door is open, then you cannot operate the machine. And inside you can see this is the container. This is the container and this is the spear gap. This is the transformer oil container, and you can see this is secondary terminals of the high voltage transformer. This is a high voltage transformer. It is 230 bar 60 kV high voltage transformer. On the secondary, this container is placed. This is a contact point. This is the contact point for secondary. Now let us conduct the experiment. So we have to fill the transformer oil in this container. Before filling the oil, we have to adjust the spear gap to 4 mm. I have already adjusted the spear gap for 4 mm as per the manufacturer's instruction. We have to fill oil in this one, the oil to be tested. We have to fill the oil to be tested in this container. So these are the samples to be tested. You can see this dark color one is the burnt transformer oil which is already used. This is the fresh transformer oil. Now let us pour this oil in the container. So you have to fill this container such that the electrodes, the sphere gap is completely submerged. So it is fully submerged. And now after filling, you can replace the cover and place it on this secondary terminals. So now the container is placed on the secondary terminals. Now close the door and lock it. Now let us test the oil. Before switching on the mains, ensure that auto transformer is in 0 position and then switch on the mains. Now switch on the HT on button, that is high voltage on button. After pressing high voltage on button, vary the auto transformer slowly and observe the voltmeter. You should vary such that you apply 2 kV per second. Slowly and uniformly vary the auto transformer and observe the voltage. Yes, the oil broke down. You can see the oil broke down at something near to 38 kV. You can look at the reading by pressing this memory button. So the oil broke down somewhere close to 38 or 39 kV. Like this, you have to take 3 or 4 readings and take the average value. Before taking the next set of reading, you have to stir the oil and then conduct the experiment. Thank you. I hope you understood the demonstration of this experiment. You can at least take 3 readings and then you can take the average value. Thank you.